Hey guys, it's your girl Boxer coming to you with another hair video. I get a lot of questions on Boxer. How do you lay your hair down? How do you get your wig so flat? How do you install your wigs? But I am coming here today to show you how I install my wigs. If you want to see how I install my wigs, just keep on watching. Bye. So first things first, your foundation. So my hair has been braided down for about 3 weeks. So basically what I did, I part my hair in the middle and just put some braids going straight down to the back, and make sure your braids are very small, as you guys can see, so that you could have a flat foundation. That's number one. Number two, slick them edges down, girl, because you don't want to see your little African roots from the side and your hair Brazilian. That's a no. Okay, so what I use to stick down my edges is this thing called Edge Booster from Style Factor. This right here, guys, this right here is my baby. Now this is the gel. They also have the edge control like the pomade, but today I used the gel on my edges. And what I did, I put the gel on my hair, I used my edge brush and I just swooped it back. Then I tied it down. So you have to tie your hair down so that it sets. That way, when you put your wig on, everything just blends seamlessly. So you'd want your edges to set before you put on your wig. So you could do this. You could set your edges before you take a shower, before you do makeup. As you can see, my makeup is already on. That's because I set this first, then I put my makeup on. But you have to set your edges. So what I use to set it, what I use to hold it is, this is a velcro headband. So it's just a headband that have velcro on it. Yeah, so let's check out my edges. So as you guys can see, it's nicely smoothed back. Yeah, so that's the part. So wherever you want to place your closure wig, please make sure that you have a visible part. It doesn't have to be extremely straight, but once there is some scalp, so that when the lace lays on top of it, you can see the part like clear. So let me show you guys how I put on my wig. So this right here is a closure wig that I made. It is a loose wave wig. I only put 2 bundles in here because I didn't want it to be too heavy. And this is the closure. So what I do, I prep my wigs before I put it on, so I make sure that the closure part is really flat. If you guys want to see how I get my closures to be flat like this, I will make another video and put that in there so y'all can watch it next. But this right now is my closure wig. You guys can see how flat it is to my hand. Yes, and that's just how it's going to lay on my head, just like that. So what I do, turn the wig around. This is what the inside looks like. So what I do is I hold the back part of it. I hold the back part of it and I just slide my head in. And once I pull it back, I adjust it. So me lifting it up, see, I'm checking my part. Y'all see my hair part and the closure part, right? So I just pull it right above my hairline. And yep, that's it. That is how I put on my closure wig. It's very simple. Once the wig is made for your size head, it fits like a glove. Like, this is not gonna come off at all. As you guys can see, this is a loose wave wig that I made. The inches are 16 and 14 inches, and the closure is about 14 inches as well, I think. So this is the final look, guys. As you guys can see, look how flat it is on my head. And you see these little flyaways? I'm gonna show you guys a trick to get rid of those flyaways. But for the most part, this is the look. So I am back and I'm bringing to you this edge stick, this wax stick that is. This is from Care. And basically it's just a wax stick. Got some hair on it from my previous styling. And you just rub that right on there. And the good thing about this is this wax stick isn't greasy at all. It literally gets the job done. So y'all can see now those flyaways are not up anymore. The wax stick, just put it together, and you don't just put it on, you have to brush it through. So I'm just getting a regular hairbrush and just brushing it into the hair. Just like that. And now those flyaways are gone. Y'all look at that. Y'all see that? Look how flat that is. Like, that is crazy. Look how flat this closure is. And you guys see how well it blends with my skin? But look how flat that is to my head. Lace weir. Lace weir. So I got all up close and personal. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is boxer_knockout. If you want to see the latest looks, the latest pictures, you can follow me on the gram. And thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.